Hello, everyone! Today, let's explore how to leverage social media's power to build an unforgettable brand presence. In today's digital age, successful brands go beyond promotion. They create magnetic communities that transform viewers into loyal advocates through the power of social engagement. The secret behind this lies in effectively utilizing the collective energy of social communities, allowing your brand to naturally become the center of attention. The foundation of social media engagement lies in understanding the psychology that drives human behavior. Every like, comment, and share represents a deeper need to connect, express oneself, and belong to a community. Smart brands understand this and focus their strategies on delivering value and evoking emotional resonance. By consistently providing content that educates, entertains, or inspires, brands establish themselves as essential resources. Concurrently, emotionally compelling narratives create a strong sense of connection, embedding the brand in the audience's memory and fostering trust. Storytelling has emerged as a cornerstone of modern brand building. Gone are the days when sterile, impersonal advertisements could captivate audiences. Today's consumers crave authenticity, gravitating toward brands that are human, relatable, and genuine. This paradigm shift has propelled the popularity of platforms like Instagram Stories, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, where unfiltered, raw content frequently outperforms highly polished campaigns. For instance, a fashion label might invite its audience to explore its design process through behind-the-scenes footage, creating an intimate view of its creative journey. Similarly, a tech startup could document its product development journey, highlighting both breakthroughs and setbacks. Such transparent interactions not only build trust but also encourage audiences to feel personally invested in the brand's story. Social media's inherently community-driven nature adds a transformative dimension to brand-audience relationships. When users evolve from passive observers to active participants, they become co-creators in the brand's narrative. This is where user-generated content, UGC, excels. Whether it's a satisfied customer sharing their experience, a fan leading a hashtag campaign, or a follower posting a product review, UGC amplifies a brand's reach and credibility. Beyond serving as social proof, it redefines the brand-consumer relationship as a partnership where both sides contribute to a shared story. Maintaining consistency is paramount to sustaining this momentum. A brand's voice, tone, and visual identity must remain cohesive across platforms, ensuring instant recognition. This doesn't imply rigid uniformity but rather adaptable consistency, one that honors platform-specific nuances while staying true to the brand's essence. For instance, a playful tone may resonate on Twitter, while LinkedIn might require a more refined approach. By tailoring content without compromising authenticity, brands expand their appeal while preserving their identity. Perhaps the most profound impact of social media is its ability to transform followers into a self-sustaining community. Actively engaging with audiences, through responding to comments, acknowledging feedback, and sparking dialogue, fosters a sense of belonging. Over time, these loyal participants evolve into brand ambassadors who champion its message organically, amplifying its reach far beyond digital confines. In today's crowded attention economy, the ultimate measure of a brand's success isn't merely its visibility but its resonance. By prioritizing genuine connections over surface-level metrics, brands forge lasting relationships grounded in trust and shared values. These relationships elevate brands from mere entities to cultural phenomena, leaving an indelible legacy both online and offline. To make your brand the center of attention, think beyond promotion. Think connection. Think community. Harness the power of social media to create a space where your audience doesn't just interact with your brand, they feel a part of it. When you achieve that, your brand doesn't just become a topic of conversation, it becomes the conversation.